All right, you guys ready to have some fun? Yes? Okay, so this is gonna be some lecture, but it's gonna be a lot of workshop. I wanna really make this practical. Yeah, if you don't have a paper, please make sure you grab it. So what we're gonna really talk about today is how you can have strong numbers, but still have a gap where there's a leadership challenge, alignment, and clarity. So those are kind of the three factors of how we're gonna really kind of move through this. There is a quote that I absolutely love, and it's, as goes the leadership team, goes the rest of the organization. So that is kind of the umbrella that will kind of hold us as we talk today. Having that clarity is everything as we move forward. Your core values are like the foundation of a house. I like to talk about core values as it's not just something that is written on the wall, it's what's actually practiced in the hall. That's your culture, guys. So these aren't ideas, these are behaviors that we already reward or tolerate. And that's your values, whether you've defined them or not. It's behavioral. It's not just something we've written one time and that's all, right? We want to make sure that this is infused into the culture of our practice, like the foundation is infused into the bottom of a home. Clarity creates alignment, and alignment requires ownership. So I want to talk about where this is unclear in your practice specifically, because clarity doesn't happen by accident. So this really puts you in the driver's seat in your practice. I really appreciate the opportunity to be here. So thank you guys so much for your time.